I think the main challenge for me was that the company, when I came about 8 years ago, was operating in an SAP environment of about 30 years of data mess. So we had just tons of data, not really usefully structured, so you couldn't really generate any intelligent reporting out there. Plus you gather data which you don't need. As an example, we had about 463 different color codes for black. So the challenge was really to, on one side, clean up that Augeas stable, and on the other side, regenerate new databases or new connectivity to a database which could create CSR reporting in a way that we can really say what is the footprints we are leaving with each product we supply to a customer.